The population of Perth has been growing at a steady 7% per annum over the last few years. The estimated population in 2012 is 1,700,000. If the population continued to grow at 7% over the 5 years from 2012, what would the population then be? If we consider the current population as 100%, then in the next year we'd add 7%, giving us 107%. As a decimal, that's 1.07. So if we wanted to calculate the population after 1 year, that would be 1,700,000 times 1.07. Then to get the population at the end of 2 years, we'd multiply by 1.07 again. For the end of 3 years, we'd multiply by 1.07 again. 4 years, 1.07 again, and 5 years, 1.07 again. That's assuming, as we're told in the question, that we continue to grow at the same rate. We can write this more simply as 1,700,000 times 1.07 to the power 5. Let's look at the parts of this calculation. This is the original population. This is the increase in 1 year, 107% expressed as a decimal, and this is the number of years. We can always use a calculation of this type for this type of problem. Calculating that gives me 2,3,843,37. So that's 2,384,337.942. Of course, the stuff behind the point makes little sense when we're dealing with numbers of people. So let's round up 2,384,338 to the nearest whole number.